Congratulations, Hilton, on 100 years. Very exciting. It was an exciting day here at Hilton Garden Inn, West 35th Street, New York City, an interstate-run hotel. It was fun for our entire team, our guests, and everybody had a really enjoyable day. We started out by making hygiene kits, and it's just one small thing that our team does. And then we went on and had a celebration in the afternoon with our team and our guests. And our guests had a great time being in the pictures and having cupcakes. And it was really a lot of fun. And I really wanted to show off this team, see the heart that they have on a daily basis. And here you can see our 100-year celebration. What is your favorite thing about working for Hilton Garden Inn, West 35th, New York?
I'm excited to come to work every day.
This company gave me a very good opportunity to be a better person.
Are you guys happy today?
Always!
Always happy? Always happy? Yes.
So my favorite and the best memory of Hilton Garden Inn 35th Street is the very first summer outing. We actually went on a boat ride and it was just amazing to see everyone bond outside of work.
I've had very nice experiences working for Hilton. There's many perks, many good opportunities, and I am very delighted to be working for this company for 6 years. I'm looking for many more.